Hi students, today I wanted to show you how to add your About Me story to the Padlet. So you're going to find it here, Padlet About Me, and I'll just move my little camera down, make this a little bigger for you. Okay, so we need to read the assignment, and it says, I'll click on View Material. Add your About Me story here if you would like. Just click anywhere on the page or on the plus sign and copy your corrected version here. So I'm going to click here, and this is my Padlet. Oh, I see somebody else has added theirs here too. So you can click anywhere on the page or on the plus sign, like this, and all of a sudden the title pops up and you can write your name. So here I go, Julie's About Me story, and I'm going to click right down here where it says write something, and then I am going to go to my docs. So I open a new tab and click on these 9 dots, click on docs, and I have to look down, where is the About Me story? Let me see, About Me, I'm going to search there for it. Test 1 About Me. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so now I've got the corrected paragraph, and I want to go with my left finger, click down on the pad, click and drag. Okay, I've copied it. Now I press Control C. So I have it there, and I can go back and find that About Me tab, the Padlet green and red, and I can press Control V and it shows up. Okay, and then if I wanted to add a picture, I can click on the Google search and I can search for a picture. So maybe I want a picture of Halifax if I wanted. Halifax, oh, I want image. I have to click on images. So here is a picture of Halifax, Nova Scotia. Sure, there, that looks nice. And that will add. Okay, and if I don't like any of this, I can click the X like that, or I can click the garbage can like that. So that is how you add your story to the Padlet.